I'm here. I'm starting to feeding to Kyra. Say hi. Hindi ako. Can you say hi? Ikaw? Hindi, wala ka. I don't love you if you don't say hi. Today we started to our after this. Pagkatapos nito, pupunta kami ng playground. Kyra, me, and come.
Ayan.
Where's Ayan? It was Ayan. So later we going to playground. So both of you need to finish your dinner first, okay? You, Ayan, you need to finish and say hi to everybody.
Hi guys.
Say hi, guys. I'm Ayan.
Ayan. Today we are gonna have some fun.
Yes, we have some fun. And you, Kyra, what did you want to tell? You are not in my vlog. I'm vlogging, no? I'm vlogging, so you need to talk because I'm vlogging my video.
Well, she is a little shy.
Oh, she's a little shy. No, she's not shy anyway. So you need to talk. She's not on the mood today because she started crying earlier. So she's not on the mood. I'm telling you. See? But I have want to introduce you is Ayan. Is very active boy. Yes. And she's willing to join to me to this video. And this one is OE, overacting. And now she started ready to get with the overacting. And
I'm energetic.
yes, yes, I started now because we eat very early. Time check is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes, and this one is OE. This girl is OE. What OE? What OE? Ayan.
I don't know.
OE is overacting. What is LOL?
Hello. I mean, yeah.
What is LOL?
It's laughing out loud.
What is BRB?
Yeah, no, I don't know.
You don't know BRB?
Yeah.
Be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what you didn't need to.
Because the one that we mostly know is the LOL.
Yes, yes, that one is a very common when you say. Okay, when you comment something for any video, LOL. Alright? Is it?
Yeah.
How's the chicken?
Hello.
And there's the
Tasty.
chicken.
Hello, my babies.
Okay. Okay, your mom is here. Both of you, if you miss to kiss your mama. Our video is end. Let me see. See. Bye-bye, everyone. You are in our video. See you see. Our video is end. Just end now. Just say.
Bye. See you.
Yes.